Taray. Hey, open your eyes. Are you awake? Taray.
Yes, I'm awake.
You're awake? How many fingers I have left? How many? 2? Oh, you're doing good. Ew, don't do that. You got a bloody mouth. Are you hurting? Huh? Taray.
No.
Well, you have to open your eyes. They want you to open your eyes. Open them. Open. Taray. You need to wake up. Because it's time to go home, so you have to wake up. No, wake up.
I'm awake.
You gotta keep your eyes open, babe.
I'm awake.
How are you feeling?
I'm not high at all.
You just can't open your mouth? Why you have those shakes in?
What is cold over here?
Oh. Well, put your jacket on.
That's all I feel.
Huh? Want me to put your jacket on for you? You're shaking. Come on, put your jacket on. Let me see you put your jacket on.
Hey, I feel you over there.
Stop talking. I don't know what you're saying.
I'm too fat.
Huh?
I'm too fat.
Are your cheeks fat? Just from the gauze in your mouth. Can you get that jacket on? It is cold outside. I hope so too. This is your brain on drugs. You're supposed to be putting on your jacket, you forgot? Look at it. Open your eyes. Let me see you look at it. Ooh. Sit.
Alright.
Look like you're trying to do the Mandy. Still.
Stop.
Okay.
Hey, you talking?
Yeah, he's beginning to.
How you feel?
I feel it on the shoulder.
Huh?
I feel it on the shoulder.
You're a soldier. Yeah. Good job, okay? You did good.
I feel it. Hey man, I was putting a reel on my arm. And I don't know where. I don't know if it's Daisy. Isn't Daisy in there?
Daisy?
Yeah, it was Daisy last night. Take a picture of it.
Oh, yeah. They had a daisy on the other side. But that's not a daisy. That's a watermelon.
I know where you see Daisy.
It wasn't a daisy. You was in another room. You was in the room back there. They did. They made you walk here.
I realize that also.
Yeah, she did. They did. Put that gauze back in your mouth. You can't feel it? Open your mouth. My hands in now. What am I supposed to do with this gauze? Open your mouth.
Open.
Yep. I don't know what to do. The gauze that's slipping out of his
You
mouth.
need to keep his mouth closed tight so the
All
bleeding
right.
can stop. No talking, okay?
Thank you.
Okay?
Yeah, because it's slipping out.
That's because he's moving it. And he should be
Shivering?
talking right now. Don't talk right now. Okay.
Don't yawn.
Sorry. Is it tight?
It's all right.
Open. You have to keep this in the spot so it can stop bleeding, okay? Open big for me. Okay. Good job. Okay, now close.
And no more
Close it up.
talking. And let's go. Put your arm in.
You car in the front? Okay. You walking?
No, I'm walking. I'm a real soldier.
Let me see.
All right, soldier.
You got your school excuse already?
No.